Hello and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be asking the question, what do you get in the box when you buy a Dji Mini 3? So as you can see, I've ordered this one from Amazon. Took about a week to come, and this is the box that it comes in. Nicely presented box. All cellophaned up. There wasn't a lot of protection around the box inside the Amazon box, so I'm guessing it's well packaged inside, and being a drone it's got to be able to survive some damage. So let's just get the cellophane off the box. Right, there we go, got the cellophane off. Never owned this type of drone before, so this is going to be all new to me when we open it up. Looks like the box opens up there. There is a security tab across the bottom. There we go. And that is the box open. It's a bit like one of the Google packages. Quite neatly packaged in there. Little QR code there to scan. I don't know whether the camera will pick that up. There's a QR code there to scan, I guess, to download the app. And we have the drone itself here. So that's the size of it all folded in. Bottom there, put that down there. Then again, not like the Google products, layer of cardboard, and then another layer to get to. This one we're going to have to tip out by the looks of things, because they haven't put any, there is a little hole there. Got a hole there to pull that out with. So this is a box we've got here with some bits in there. So what have we got in this box? We have got a selection of cables to connect to the phone, to the controller. On this side we've got some spare blades. Okay. A screwdriver to replace the blades with. And we have got an owner's manual here. Okay, just put that to one side. Oh, there's still more in there. Another cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C to charge the drone and the controller with. And in the bottom here we have got the controller. Then another bag for protection. There we go, got the controller in there. The sticks for the controller are in the bottom, and the charging port is there. And I'll read the instructions, but I believe this bit, there we go, comes up there to put your phone into whilst you're flying. So it looks like the box is empty now. Yeah. Only bit in the bottom there is a bit of packaging there to keep the drone from sliding around in transit. So yeah, just to refresh everything, you've got the controller, the drone itself, with the battery already installed in the back there, and spare propeller blades, screwdriver, cables for connecting your phone to the controller, charging cable, and instructions. So I'll do some further videos on the drone at a later date, but I thought this would be an interesting one if you are ordering the cheapest DJI drone, Mini 3. This is what you're going to get inside the box. Please subscribe for more videos on this product.